Hi guys, today I find myself in the city of Lake Forest. This beautiful city is nestled between Rancho Santa Margarita, Irvine, and Mission Viejo. This beautiful city is highly sought after for its beautiful mountain ranges, several parks, nearby lakes, and numerous hiking and biking trails. Whether you're a young thriving family or ready for retirement, Lake Forest may be the ideal city for you. And this is exactly where our newest listing is located. Welcome to 19041 Canyon Terrace Drive in the city of Lake Forest. This home features 3 beds, 2.5 baths, and it is 1,297 square feet. I'd love to show you what the city of Lake Forest has to offer. So if you think this city is ideal for you, let's connect.
Future House Realty. We help you find your future investments today.